In the US, Wegovy is no longer just for weight loss. The blockbuster drug, one of a handful of weight loss treatments to skyrocket in popularity over the last year, is now approved in the US for heart health, too. But that may not translate to wider insurance coverage of the weekly injection drug from Novo Nordisk and similar obesity treatments just yet. Some employers and other health plans are still reluctant to cover Wegovy due to its hefty $1,350 monthly price tag, which they say could significantly strain their budgets. They also have other questions, such as how long patients actually stay on the treatment. At the very least, some plans will take notice of Wegovy's new approval and start assessing whether to cover the treatment when they next update their formularies, some insurance industry experts told CNBC. That could mean difficult decisions ahead for insurers and likely a patchwork system of coverage for Americans who are seeking treatment to navigate the more benefits that come from weight loss drugs. I think the greater the pressure is going to be to start including those drugs in a formulary and cover them in standard insurance plans, said John Crable, Senior Vice President of Corporate Synergies, a national insurance and employee benefits brokerage and consultancy. But my gut tells me it's going to take more to convince some insurers. Wegovy is part of a class of drugs called GLP-1s, which mimic a hormone produced in the gut to suppress a person's appetite and help regulate blood sugar. Coverage for those treatments when used for weight loss is a mixed bag. Roughly 110 million American adults are living with obesity and approximately 50 million of them have insurance coverage for weight loss drugs, a spokesperson for Novo Nordisk said in a statement. The company is actively working with private insurers and employers to encourage broader coverage of those drugs, and is advocating for the federal Medicare program to start covering them, the spokesperson added. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services is reviewing the FDA's expanded approval of Wegovy and will share additional information as appropriate, an agency spokesperson said in an email. The spokesperson added that state Medicaid programs would be required to cover Wegovy for its new cardiovascular use. By law, Medicaid must cover nearly all FDA-approved medications, but weight loss treatments are among a small group of drugs that can be excluded from coverage. Around 1 in 5 state Medicaid programs currently cover GLP-1 drugs for weight loss. Some of the nation's largest insurers, such as CVS Health's Aetna, cover those treatments. But many employers don't. An October survey of more than 200 companies by the International Foundation of Employee Benefit Plans, or IFEBP, found only 27% provided coverage for GLP-1s for weight loss, compared with the 76% that covered those drugs for diabetes.